Hello everyone, this is day 8 of the 100 days challenge. एक तो सबसे पहले I can't even believe कि 7 days हो गए. It went by like very easily. अब when I reflect back on it, I feel कि ये तो बहुत easy हो गया. And that's how the entire journey is going to be. Every day in the present moment, it is always going to feel a little bit difficult क्योंकि you are overcoming your fears, you are overcoming difficulties, you are overcoming things that you have failed at before. तो present moment के अंदर वो चीज़ हमेशा ही difficult लगेगी, but when you go to the next day and when you look back and reflect on the thing, then you will always feel कि oh, today's day is far more difficult than yesterday was, and I'm going to get through it, and that's how you will do it every single day, and weeks like this will pass by and you'll be good on your own. So आज Tuesday है, so आज I want to just tell you this thing that everything is going to be okay. It's just you have to keep on doing the thing that you want to do. Today I want to talk to you about validation or why validation is important and what kind of validation you need to seek. क्योंकि last year I struggled a bit with validation कि मेरे को तो लोग देख ही नहीं रहे हैं. I'm doing so much. What is going to happen? So I think I want to have a conversation with all of you around that. And this is it. Let's go to the gym, work out, and then we'll come back and we'll have a conversation. Okay, so just came back from the gym, had a really great workout. Now I want to talk to you about validation. Last year जब मैं ये challenge कर रहा था तो I was thinking maybe I would get the push that everybody does, and I created a lot of videos and थोड़ा बहुत उस पे traction आया भी, मतलब my friends were really appreciating of it. But उसके अलावा there was no such thing happening. मतलब मेरे को ऐसा big time ऐसा feel हुआ ही नहीं कि ऐसा होगा या वैसा होगा. And I used to seek validation in other forms, in other aspects of my life as well, and that's where I noticed myself कि oh, what I am seeking, the validation that I am trying to seek is external. It is dependent on people around me, and which is something that I thought is putting me into a position where I feel a lot miserable. And वहाँ से I developed this idea कि ताली internally बजनी चाहिए. If you rely on people and them validating your efforts, then you will always find yourself in a position जहाँ पे either you will sacrifice the core of you just to please other people. जो आपको करना है वो आप नहीं करके, and you will do things that will make sure that everybody around you is clapping for you, and you will keep on trying to achieve that kind of external validation, and it is solely dependent on how other people are feeling, and you can't rely on that, because what if people don't want to applaud for you anymore? What if people don't want to give you the validation that you need? तो उसके ऊपर you have to be very careful about. That's why anytime you do anything, मैं ये मतलब रूटीन, फिटनेस, डिसिप्लिन, कंसिस्टेंसी, इसके बियॉन्ड बात कर रहा हूँ. लेकिन अगर आप कुछ भी अच्छा करते हो, then it always needs to be for yourself. It always needs to be for the person inside. वो ताली बजाना चाहिए. You should not rely on other people and their applause and their validation, considering वो आपको एक difficult position के अंदर हमेशा डाल देगा. So that's why I always keep myself saturated from other people's feedback, and I don't take compliments very well. I don't know how to do it. I have created that sort of mindset where everybody who's applauding feel that I should not fall for it. I should not think कि यही सब है, मतलब ये clap ही is something that I was working for. और now I feel कि मेरा mindset इतना change हो गया है कि even though I don't get a lot of traction on these videos, I'm not disheartened कि क्या यार ये तो हो ही नहीं रहा है ये सब चीज़ें. I am thinking always कि मैंने क्या क्या सीख लिया. So I'll give you a example. Till day 4, if you go and see these long form videos, you'll see कि ऐसे मुंह पे बहुत ज़्यादा highlight आ रही है. I don't know how to color grade and everything. And I was like कि यार मतलब ठीक है, व्यूज़ नहीं आ रहे कोई बात नहीं. व्यूज़ से इतना आई एम नॉट वरीड टू मच अबाउट इट. बट डे 4 तक आई वाज जस्ट लर्निंग हाउ टू एडिट, कि एडिट कैसे करना है. एंड डे 5 पे आई वाज लाइक कि यार एडिटिंग अगर मैं कर ही रहा हूँ तो बेसिक एडिटिंग तो 4 दिन में जितनी मुझे आनी चाहिए थी उतनी मुझे आ गई. आई नो कि थोड़ा टाइम ज़्यादा लग रहा है टू जस्ट कंप्लीट द एडिट, बिकॉज अभी मुझे पता नहीं है कि कैसा स्क्रिप्ट मेरे को लिखना चाहिए. सो आई डोंट नो ऑल दीज थिंग्स, तो मुझे थोड़ा सा टाइम लग रहा है. तो मुझे लगा था कि मैं वर्क फ्लो इंप्रूव करूंगा थोड़ा थोड़ा. अगेन दिस कलर ग्रेड वाला थिंग वाज नॉट वर्किंग फॉर मी दैट मच. तो फिर आई रिसर्च कि कैसे करते हैं, क्या करते हैं, आई फाउंड अ वेरी सिंपल हैक। अगर मैं डे 1 पे ही वो कर लेता तो भी मेरी वीडियोस बहुत अच्छी बनती थी। तो आई लर्न कि ओके व्हेनेवर देयर इज अ प्रॉब्लम एटलीस्ट गिव इट अ अटेम्प्ट कि क्या है, लेट्स ट्राई एंड फाइंड आउट अ सॉल्यूशन। प्रॉब्ली पॉसिबली एक सिंपल हैक मिल जाए आपको एंड यू कैन सॉल्व द प्रॉब्लम ऑन योर ओन, अदरवाइज यू पार्क द प्रॉब्लम फॉर सम अदर डे बिकॉज अ लॉट ऑफ लर्निंग इज रिक्वायर्ड एंड यू आर फोकसिंग ऑन समथिंग एल्स। तो आई डिड दैट एंड डे 5 से डे 6 आ गया, डे 7 आ गया एंड माय वीडियोस लाइक द क्वालिटी ऑफ माय वीडियोस हैज इम्प्रूव्ड सिग्निफिकेंटली। तो मैं वहां से वैलिडेशन सीख करता हूँ। आई एम सीकिंग वैलिडेशन दैट आई एम कॉन्स्टेंटली अपस्किलिंग एंड ग्रोइंग इन द थिंग दैट आई एम डूइंग। लाइक every single day there needs to be something changing in these videos, something changing in the way I edit it. So वहां से I am seeking validation. When you will put this idea in place, तो you will not seek external validation. Again, human nature है, you can't rely on this idea solely because you will always lean towards external validation. But when I say this, क्योंकि आप थोड़ा सा दूर जाओ external validation से, what I mean is कि then you will not fall for everybody's applause. You will not fall for everybody who's clapping for you. You will simply find 5 or 10 odd people who have your best interest in their heart and you just value their validation. Them telling you that you are doing a good job should be enough for you. Then you will be at a place जहाँ पे you are not craving for external validation, attention and all that, and you're just learning and growing. So आज का lesson is that only. Do not rely too much on external validation. People will clap for you if you do good. People will clap for you if you fall down. It is all part of the process. If you focus too much on that, then you are not learning and growing. And you should be the one who's clapping for yourself. You should be the one who's growing, leveling up. This is all what I want to do in these 100 days. Prepare myself for the year ahead. Prepare myself for the new life that I'm going to get. I hope कि आपको कुछ अच्छा सीखने मिला है. That is it for day 7. Thank you so much for watching. I'll see you around.
Bye bye. See you later.